This home tour showcases a sophisticated blend of classic and modern design. From a bold, dark blue library to vibrant, patterned rooms, every space is both elegant and uniquely inviting. A classic American White House with a picket fence, lush greenery, and warm, inviting sunlight. The entryway features a simple wooden console and gold-framed mirror, with light walls and wood floors creating a bright, airy feel. Beyond, a dramatic dark blue room with an abstract, colorful painting adds contrast and modern flair. A cozy library bathed in deep blue, featuring built-in bookshelves, a plush velvet sofa, patterned rug, and abundant natural light. A fireplace, staircase, and varied seating create a warm, intellectual, and inviting atmosphere, with thoughtful lighting and furniture arrangement enhancing the sophisticated design. The dark blue library's fireplace is framed by leather armchairs and built-in bookshelves, with a classic painting above. Close-ups showcase a book-filled, cozy, and sophisticated space with a decorative lamp. A playful children's table and chairs sit in the foreground, framed by an open doorway that reveals the dark blue library beyond. A living room with light walls features an eclectic mix of furniture and artwork, centered on a fireplace with a unique tile surround and a large TV and a built-in media center. An open dining area with a wooden table and modern chairs leads to a darkwood kitchen with a large island, a rustic entryway with a chest and mirror, and a classic subway-tiled kitchen corner. A powder room with a vintage chest vanity, vessel sink, patterned wallpaper, and a sculptural wall sconce creates an elegant, stylish space. A staircase with white balusters and light wood treads is highlighted by a large, vibrant orange floral artwork, serving as a striking focal point. A narrow hallway with a small upholstered settee and patterned rug forms a cozy, sunlit seating area. A serene bedroom with vaulted ceilings and light green walls features a dark wood bed, patterned textiles, and French doors letting in natural light. Cozy corners include a plush armchair, bedside table with a woven lamp, and an elegant seating area at the foot of the bed, creating a calm, inviting retreat. A tranquil bathroom with patterned walls and floors features a freestanding tub and a light blue double vanity with marble countertop, large mirror, and elegant lighting. A bright, airy walk-in closet with sloped ceilings features built-in storage, a bench, and plush carpet, offering a spacious, organized, and functional design. A home office with a large wooden desk, light wood walls and floors, and a personalized gallery wall, paired with a cozy nook featuring a pink sectional and small coffee table, creates a functional and inviting space. A vibrant powder room with a white vanity, red and white patterned mirror, and floral wallpaper, complemented by white subway tiles, brass fixtures, and decorative accents. A playful child's bedroom with a bunk bed, bright green curtains, and whimsical butterfly ceiling decals creates a fun, imaginative space. A functional mudroom and laundry area with white and gray cabinets, a bench, open shelving, hooks, stacked machines, and a subway tile backsplash, offering a clean, practical, and modern design.